Hi guys, welcome back to the Food and Mode Creations Christmas series. Today we're making dehydrated carrots. I washed and peeled these carrots. Now I'm just cutting them into a quarter of an inch thick slices. You can also use the potato peeler to create long thin ribbons. The ribbons will probably dry faster than the rounds since they are so much thinner. I also shaved some ribbons from one of the carrots to make candied carrots for carrot cakes that I sell during the Christmas, which is why some of the carrots look square instead of round. This is my dehydrator and I'm just arranging the carrot rounds onto the dehydrated trays. If you do not have a dehydrator, there are instructions on the website. Just head on over to Food and Mode Creations. Click on the dehydrated carrot chips recipe and you will see a section in the post that shows you how to dehydrate carrots using the oven. While you're on the site, sign up for my newsletter. You will get first tips on new content and cheat day recipes. This is how the carrot chips came out. You can use these carrots in any recipe that calls for carrots. I used them to decorate a carrot cake. If you want detailed instructions on how to make these carrot chips, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.